Spring is a time to reset, which is the perfect time to address safety concerns around the home. And the internet's mom friend says it should start with a family discussion.
These are important conversations across the family, but especially when we're thinking of kids, whether my kids know how to identify an emergency. Do they know how to respond to that emergency? Something as simple as making an emergency call is much more complicated now than it was when I was growing up. Do they know what to do if they get locked out of the home? Do they have trusted adults that they can go to, more than one that they can go to with their problems?
And she suggests adding this safety checklist to your spring cleaning to-do list.
Start by looking around your home for hazards. There could be tripping hazards, there could be falling hazards, right? I had a sculpture in my garden that was a falling hazard for my kids, so I had to get rid of that. Maybe some standing water. Think about life changes. Maybe you moved, maybe you renovated recently and people had access to the home. Maybe you ended a relationship. That might be a time to change the lock on your home. And if I could share a life hack, a lot of people have quick set locks. And if you have that, chances are you have something called smart key technology, which allows you to rekey on your own. So you don't need a locksmith, you don't need to change any hardware. All you do is you take your old key, put it in the lock. There's a little pin called the learning tool. You push that in too, take both of those out, put a new key in, turn it, and you're done. 3 steps, maybe 20 seconds, you've rekeyed your lock. We talked a little bit about the tripping hazards. Lighting is very important, both outside of the home and within the home. There's actually a product that's pretty cool. It's called the Halifax LED lever. It has a motion-censored LED light built right into the handle. So if you've ever had that moment in the middle of the night, trying to get a glass of water, get out of the bedroom, whatever it might be, and you can't find the door handle, it's motion censored with lights. And then of course, don't forget the basics. You want to review that first aid kit, make sure the medications are up to date, make sure the bandages are still working. You want to check your fire extinguisher. Those expire, by the way, so take a look at that. Refresh batteries on carbon monoxide detectors, flashlights, that kind of thing.
Don't forget to declutter and protect your digital space while you're at it.
Make sure that you're staying on top of app updates, especially anything related to smart home devices, security devices, anything like that. If you have compromised passwords, you're changing those right away. You're also enabling two-factor authentication on as many accounts as possible. And thinking of smart home devices, think about who has access to what. It could be cameras, it could be a smart lock. Review those access codes, review any sharing, and revoke access when needed.
Get more info at quickset.com and follow the Mom Friend on TikTok and Instagram for more tips and tricks.